What's up, guys? Welcome back to another weekly Forex analysis video. This week I have 5 pairs on my charts I'm going to be watching. So one quick little side note, I don't know if it's coincidence or not, but for the past like 2-3 weeks, I feel like the pairs that FX Alex G has been trading have been identical to the ones that I've been trading. So I kind of come to 2 conclusions. Either one, I'm fucking insane, or just happy that I'm getting like really good at this trading, that we're trading almost the exact same pairs every single week. Or 2, Alex G is watching some of my videos and getting a little inspiration from some of the analysis I've been doing. So if that's the case, what's up, Alex G? Hit my DMs on Instagram, you know where it is. But anyways, we have 5 pairs this week. Some really good stuff. First up is AUDCAD, right? AUDCAD looking super clean. On the weekly time frame, we can see we have a gigantic weekly rejection wick coming off of this area of support, somewhat supporting now our weekly EMA, just really respecting this bullish market structure that we're creating. And now we can see we've created a perfect bullish hammer candle at this like area of interest, also using previous market structure as well. It's not perfectly bullish because it didn't close bullish for the weekly, but you see the vision, right? We came all the way down here and we rejected it straight back up, which I really like. On the daily time frame, we were heavy bearish, and we transitioned into bullish market structure after breaking below, right? Breaking below and then breaking above this market structure point, and now we are back at our area of interest, ready to go long. So I really like that kind of market structure sequence that we've made on the daily time frame. It's giving me a lot of confidence that this is going to turn into the bullish market direction. On the 4-hour, it looks even cleaner. We can see it did the same exact thing, went bearish, right? Honestly, kind of created a reverse head and shoulders a little bit, turned bullish, breaking up this high, and now coming back, retesting our area of interest, retesting our EMA, and preparing to go long again. So I really like the confluences that are lining up for this pair. AUDCAD looking super clean. And now simply on the lower time frame, we're kind of just waiting for a shift of structure, come back, retest our Fibonacci sequence numbers, and also maybe the 1-hour EMA, and just go long from there and see what happens. So that's kind of what I'll be waiting for this pair. Next up is EURAUD. EURAUD looking very clean as well. So let's start on the weekly time frame. Just like AUDCAD, very strong rejection wick on the weekly time frame, right? We are at this kind of market structure on the weekly time frame where it is bullish and kind of at this area of interest where it might continue bullish. But I kind of like the shorts here a little bit more, and let me explain why. So daily time frame, we are technically bullish, but we are below this very strong area of interest. Lots of resistance points here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 resistance points. Even use it as support here. So this area is very well respected when price reaches it. So we are below that point, and on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we're creating very clean bearish market structure momentum, right? Creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, or sorry, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Now we're creating another lower high, and I think we're going to get ready to create a new lower low because we are now at our area of interest. We are respecting previous 4-hour market structure. We're going to respect our 4-hour EMA. Just a lot of confluences are lining up very well. So we'll have to see how this kind of plays out over the first maybe day or so, but it is kind of lining up very well with also our AUDCAD pair. Since AUDCAD we're looking for longs, now EURAUD we're looking for shorts. So we're going to try to catch at least one of these moves if it does go into our favor, into our direction, and if our analysis was right. So just a lot of confluences when it comes to this pair, especially for the shorts. So that's why even though the daily and the weekly are technically bullish, I think there's a lot of confluences for the short. So to continue on AUDUSD, I'm technically like kind of happy about this, but not really. It's looking really clean for shorts positions, honestly. but it does kind of not flow well with AUDCAD and also EURAUD, because AUDCAD, AUD is the first pair of that sequence. We're looking for longs. EURAUD, AUD is the second pair. We're looking for shorts. AUD-USD, we should be looking for longs again, but in this case, it's looking very strong for shorts, mainly because we had this very strong push downwards. We're coming back, retesting another area of interest on the daily time frame that is very well respected, with lots of highs, lots of lows, lots of supports, and lots of resistance. We're starting to respect our daily EMA as well, and the only thing that's confluence for bullishness is the 4-hour market structure is pretty bullish. So we would have to break the 4-hour market structure and turn that bearish for us to even consider this a potential trade. I would much rather focus on AUDCAD and EURAUD, since those look significantly cleaner to me. But this one's still just definitely on the watch list, getting ready for potentially a short, but I might just wait this one out to see what AUDCAD and EURAUD do first. Next up, NZDCAD. This one is super clean for shorts. First off, we have a very strong push downwards, coming back, retested our area of interest. This I actually had a trade on last week, but I set it to break even. So we were in profit, I think, what was it? I don't remember exactly what we were up. I think maybe we were up 1.5 or something like that, risk to reward. And then it just completely reversed on us, and we got wicked into our break even. So didn't lose money, didn't make money, but then it continued downwards, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. You know, shit happens. But yeah, basically super clean, since we're creating a double top on the daily time frame. Weekly time frame, again, we're kind of continuing this. It is technically bullish, but it is like more recently this kind of bearish market structure within the past, what was this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 7-8 weeks basically. So yeah, we're respecting our daily EMA, this daily area of interest. 4-hour is not looking super clean, but it is creating a lot of these resistance points. So that's kind of happy to see. So hopefully we can continue to respect that and then go short from there. You know, this one's not super high confluence just because it's not looking super clean. I'd much rather focus on the first 2 or 3 pairs that we have before even really considering this. But anyways, last pair, GBPCAD. This one I'm honestly so upset about, because this is a trade that I had, was it last week or maybe 2 weeks ago? I talked about this one a few times, and it was a really good trade. And I remember in my analysis, I knew this one was going to reach all the way down here. It was going to reach this area of interest, and I initially really wanted to hold this. But I lost psychology during this week. I was not winning my own psychology, and I just couldn't find the discipline to hold the trade long enough, which is really unfortunate, because this could have been literally a 1 to 4.5 risk to reward ratio win, which would have been insane. It would have been my biggest win ever on a funded account, or even on any account, honestly. Because I mainly shoot for 1 to 2s or 1 to 2.5s at most. So 1 to 4.5 would have been really exciting to hit. But unfortunately, we hit, let me just go back here. I closed at 1.7. So because it started rejecting a lot and I was kind of nervous. So I closed here, 1.7, it is what it is. There was even another opportunity to go short again, but market structure wasn't looking super clean within this little, you know, like 3 or 4 candlesticks of the 4-hour time frame. So I didn't enter another position, but I could have, and had gotten another 2.4 risk to reward ratio. So it's just like little things like that deteriorate my psychology, because I'm like, oh, I could have made all this money, I could have done this, I could have done this, but I just have to move on, go next. You know, it is what it is. There always will be future opportunity. Anyways, now in my opinion, we're looking for bullish kind of market structure. Look how clean this bullish market structure is, bro, on the weekly time frame. Creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, always perfectly respecting the previous market structure and previous area of interest every single time, which is super clean. I love seeing that stuff. On the daily time frame, we are basically at our area of interest. I do not like that we're below it, honestly, so that's why I have kind of drawn up here. I'm kind of waiting for the 4 hour to maybe break above and then come back, retest this area of interest, and also use the 4 hour EMA as support to go long. I'm not going to try to force this trade. I'm not going to just try to like guess, especially since we are kind of below our area of interest. It kind of is scary that it might just sell off from here continuously. But I would like to just wait for market structure to develop over the next 1, 2, 3 days and see if there is a potential opportunity to get into a long position, maybe within, Wednesday or Tuesday night, Thursday, something like that. Definitely not anytime soon, simply because we need market structure to be created. So yeah, those are my 5 pairs for this week: AUDCAD, Euro AUD, AUD/USD, NZDCAD, and GBPCAD. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching all my videos all the way to the end. Don't forget to hit up my Instagram for more follow-ups on the pairs that I'll be trading and also some more psychology tips. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.